trusted through the day and night. From end-to-end solutions, we cover every base. Hardware, firmware, we lead the race. Evtech, the future's in our hands.
Each of these organizations plays a vital role in promoting IoT adoption in the Philippines, helping build a more connected, efficient, and resilient nation.
We're on your side. We manufacture, develop, bring ideas to life. Implement the tech that helps you thrive. Standards high, practices strong. With Evtech you can't go wrong. Evtech, the future's in our hands. With every chip and circuit we meet your demands. From concept to creation, we do it all with pride. Evtech Research Group, we're on your side. Not just hardware, we code it all. Firmware magic, we stand tall. Industry standards, we follow through. Evtech Research Group, we're here for you. Evtech, the future's in our hands. With every chip and circuit, we meet your demands. From concept to creation, we do it all with pride. Evtech Research Group, we're on your side. So trust in us and you will see. Evtech Research Group, your tech destiny. Innovating always, reaching for the skies. With Evtech your success will rise.